Authentic Carnitas Mycocan. A delicious Mexican main course recipe. This recipe serves 6 to 8 servings. Preparation takes about 30 minutes. And cooking takes around 3 hours 30 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 4 pounds pork butt, 2 cups lard, 1 piece orange, 1 piece white onion, 6 cloves garlic, 3 pieces bay leaves, 1 small piece cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon dried Mexican oregano, 2 tablespoons kosher salt, a half cup Coca-Cola or whole milk. Step 1. Pat the pork cubes dry with paper towels and season them generously on all sides with kosher salt. Step 2. In a large heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven, a traditional kazo is ideal if you have one. Melt the lard over medium-high heat until it reaches approximately 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius. Step 3. Carefully add the pork cubes to the hot fat. The meat should be mostly submerged. Sear for 5 to 8 minutes, turning occasionally, until the outside of the meat is lightly browned. Step 4. Squeeze the juice from the orange halves into the pot, then drop the spent orange rinds directly into the fat. Step 5. Add the quartered onion, smashed garlic cloves, bay leaves, cinnamon stick, and Mexican oregano to the pot. Step 6. Pour in the Coca-Cola or milk. This provides the sugars necessary for the deep mahogany color and tenderize the meat enzymes. Step 7. Reduce the heat to low. The fat should be at a very gentle simmer, bubbles rising slowly. Cover partially and cook for 2.5 to 3 hours. Step 8. Check the meat after 2.5 hours. It should be fork tender and easily pull apart, but not yet disintegrating. Step 9. Using a slotted spoon, remove the pork from the fat and place it on a large baking sheet. Remove and discard the orange rinds, onion chunks, and bay leaves. Step 10. Roughly chop the meat into bite-sized pieces or pull it apart into large chunks. Avoid shredding it too finely, you want substantial pieces. Step 11. Heat a large non-stick or cast iron skillet over medium-high heat. Add a small latte of the cooking fat from the pot. Step 12. Working in batches, fry the chopped pork for 3 to 5 minutes without moving it much, until the bottom edges are crispy and deeply browned. Step 13. Warm the corn tortillas on a dry griddle or over an open flame until pliable and slightly charred. Step 14. Assemble the tacos by piling a generous portion of crispy pork onto 2 stacked tortillas. Top with diced onion, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.